Just a moment ago, I was actually asked how to create a folder, and of course how to name it and then save things into it. Well, today I'm going to show you just that. We're going to go ahead and go to the desktop and right click. Now here you'll see an option for new and then folder. So right here we've created a new folder, and it actually has the title new folder. So we want to change the name of it. Let's go ahead and right click it. We're going to click rename. We're going to name it test. Now I want to put something into that folder. So I'm going to go ahead and right click this icon and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go ahead and right click the desktop and paste it. Now that I have, just for this test, a copy of that icon, we want to move that into the folder that we just created. So we can just hold it here and move it. Once we've dropped it into it, and of course to drop it in there you actually just click the item and hold down that left click button, and then you drag into the folder and then release the left click button and it won't drop into the folder. So now we have the folder open, and here's our icon that we just copied. So I'm going to go ahead and move it back to the desktop. Now I'm going to delete this folder, and we're going to create one in the documents library. So here we are. We can create a new folder very easily by clicking new folder, or let's go ahead and delete that one, and let's use the same method just to create less confusion. Let's use the same method that we use on the desktop. We're going to right click here inside the white area, and then we're going to create new folder. Now here we're going to go ahead and rename it, and just in case you do accidentally click off of the folder, let's say you were getting ready to type test, and you type TE and you actually clicked over here. It's not permanently named TE. Let's go ahead and right click it, and we're going to click rename. So now let's name it test. So now we want to select this icon and move it into this folder. One of the easiest ways to do that is to right click that item, copy it. Then we go back and navigate to documents and our test folder, double clicking it to open it. And in the right area, right click and paste. So there we've just moved that, or actually just made another copy of that icon and placed it into this folder. Now, by doing the copy and paste, we're actually going to end up with multiple copies of that icon. So to keep everything cleaner, we're going to go ahead and delete this one. Now, what we can do is go ahead and open up the test folder in our documents directory. In the white area, we're actually going to go to the desktop. We're going to drag that icon, and we're going to paste it here. But all we're doing is dragging and dropping it, and that's by holding down the left click button and then releasing it whenever it's in the area that you want it to go. So by dropping it in here, it actually cut and pasted into this folder, thus deleting the copy that we made and cleaning up the computer to where there's not so many duplicates of that one icon. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and delete this. Well, actually, let's try this. What happens if you've created a folder, you've put something in it, and you forgot where it was? Let's go ahead and find this folder real quick. So what we do is we open up our directory here, and we're in libraries. We're not sure where it is, and we've looked and can't find it. So what we do is we search libraries. So let's go ahead and type test. And look at that. It went ahead and found it for us. So I double clicked it, opened it up, and there's everything that was in the test folder. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and delete that so I don't have that folder sitting around and me wondering what it is. Now, once you've created a huge mess of test folders, you can always go into your recycling bin and empty the recycling bin to delete them all. And there we go. All right, well, that was creating and deleting folders when that was a TECHProductions video. Thank you for watching.